All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy, comedian Privilege Son, aka Akansi was not there, aka Aristi Brethren. I'm out this morning to address some certain issues in this country, and especially some people like pastors, prophets, politicians, especially the ones who were so concerned about America during America election. You people were so concerned on who win and who lose, who rules and who leave the seat in America. I choose not to talk to una since because many of una after una misbehave. Wetin really concern America, a country that does not care about you or care about Nigeria. Now na carry their matter put for head like gala and like Kasera. And they answer na okay now because they carry some ventilators God give us during COVID-19. If you trace am well, you will see and say na the money where our Nigerian leaders go hide for there. Maybe now they add together, they buy those things for us. Wetin concern America? Whether Joe Biden win or Donald Trump lose, what change does it make in Nigeria? Now go make onions cheap. Abuna never hear say who not be politician for Nigeria now, not fit buy onions. Una you carry people matter for head and we get our own for body. Especially the pastors and the prophets that were so concerned during the election. All the time, God show me this, God told me that. Una never notice say many things when they tell us say God show una, God tell una, they know they come to pass. Wanna let us rest now. Oh, waiting Hollywood actress not go see for Insta blog page. Now so our former footballer wey don become pastor, he come out to say, I said Obaseki of Edo State will win the election. He won. I said the APC candidate in Ondo State will win the election. He won. But they did not make the video viral. Now, Oga, when the doctor say Donald Trump go win, he can't lose the election.
Before the election in Edo, I say Obaseki will win. Yes. Is that true?
Yes.
Did he win?
Yes, sir.
Nobody say it anywhere. Nobody bring me out anywhere. Nobody quote it anywhere. I say it here before the election. I also say in Ondo election, Akerodu will win. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
Did he win?
He won.
He won.
Yes, sir.
Now I want you to shoot this out the way I want it. Donald Trump will win the election with a slight split edge over Joe Biden.
Okay, Oga prophet, abi pastor. Now when you call prophesy or see prophecy, say Donald Trump will win the election. And unfortunately, he lose the election to the most worst candidate in America political history, according to Osakwa and Ekpowa, Donald Trump. Not me talk am. I call him the Oshomole of US. Okay, prophet, abi pastor. How they want to do your matter now? Oga, you don't ever hear say for Nigeria, incumbent governor or president lose election. Now that they give up willingly, or people when they put them there, now they remove them. If you say I dey lie, ask Good Luck Jonathan, or you ask Ambode of Lagos. Now you come and say, God showed me this, God told me that. We don't tire for all those things. So, not in a prophecy, they run all those things abeg. Now let us hear what. Whether Joe Biden win the election or not, or Donald Trump lose the election to the worst person, or Christian rule America, Muslim rule or not, wetin concern now? You people should leave America for Americans. Make we face the problem wey dey face our country because hunger dey the land and things dey increase for market every day. Una never hear? Abi una be politician for Nigeria, no go fit eat again. Christmas dey come now. Bag of fries don dey go 40,000. Una dey carry American matter for head. If that say something dey worry una for this country. As we speak, many Nigerians can no longer eat rice. They cannot afford it. Whether foreign or local made rice. Pastors, una no fit see or prophesy the way forward. But when e reach election, all these pastors, una go bust out, cause they do guesswork. They tell us who go win and who go lose. Na bet Naija, na bet Naija. Na that turn prophecy to bet Naija. Bible talk and say any prophet wey talk something and the thing not come to pass. Na fake, na me talk am. Even government wey suppose help us, they trace the account where money enter and where money for comot during the EndSARS protest. Oh, which can misplaced priority be all this one for this country. Meanwhile, una never fit trace who give the order for Lekki massacre. Una never fit trace who dey sponsor Boko Haram, bandit, ISIS, or trace the reason for cost of living in Nigeria. Una dey trace rubbish. No na system crash. Oh, wahala for no get onions for us. During the America election, I saw some people papa, people mama, they were campaigning for Donald Trump while other pastors were busy doing fake prophecy. And una never fit campaign or prophesy or protest against hunger wey dey the land or against the things wey not good for Nigeria. Okay, even if una not campaign against those young protests, are you people aware that there are some youth, innocent youth in this country who are still in police custody suffering? The only offense they committed was to come out during the peaceful protest. So some see they suffer. Una wey be people mama so people papa where they protest. Una not fit protest. Go police station, make them free those people. Now not fit protest. Go government house. Go ask our president, our governor, our people where they represent us. Una ask them why cost of living they increase every day. Una carry America matter for head. The way has to carry strike for head. Oh, this has to serve. Whether or not they in charge of thunder for everyone, I don't know. And please, all market traders, I beg una well, because me no say everything don't dey expensive. Even the most cheapest thing in the market is not expensive. But me and you know say your own dey your body. No na try calm down. I beg. Which one we all give person 3 seed of tomatoes 250, 2 pepper 200. Waiting, mo na calm down. Because for other countries, if something increase because of one particular purpose, time go still reach, that thing go reduce. But for my country, Nigeria, anything wey increase don increase. Una no dey reduce am. Why? From the time we be say they say Buhari lock border, then when COVID-19 come, when things increase, I beg, they don't open border. COVID-19 don't go. No, na try reduce price of things. Government cannot do it alone. Me and you, they contribute. Wait, even as cost of living they increase every minute for this country, so government now they busy. They trace who sponsor and who lead EndSARS protest. One na wants to court. Abi, una never hear say we not get leader. No leader, we be like cow, we not get it. Now God they run out for us. Wait, which kind of country be this? We just come out to tell us say see what we want. In peace, so in peace. Now I want to fight us join. Oh, I beg youth, Mona just try. Even if we know the protest again, Mona just focus. Mona not forget we get go, and by the grace of God, we go achieve them. Carry say come off my face. I go plan my show for December 18. Never see money to do so.